Our Chrome extension makes managing your referrals a snap. It's designed specifically with recruiters in mind and allows you to follow up with new referrals as they come in without interrupting your workflow. After signing in, you'll see a list of the current referrals that are assigned to you. New referrals are highlighted and bolded. When a new referral comes in, a notification is shown on the icon badge even when the extension is closed. It provides a helpful alert that you have new referrals to review. You can change its size by dragging the edge of the pane. Click on a column header to filter the referral list. Each column has a unique set of filters that you can apply. If you'd like to undo the filters that you've applied, just select Reset Filters and Sorting from the drop-down menu at the top right. These icons represent resumes, LinkedIn accounts, referrals sourced through social networks, records matched with your ATS, and closed jobs. Click on a referral to view its full details. If a resume is present, you can click to download it. You can message candidates, referring employees, and leave notes. Let's send a message to the candidate. You can select a template if you like, then compose your message. Thank you for taking a moment to learn about our Chrome extension. We hope it makes reviewing and following up with your new referrals a quicker and less disruptive experience.